how to stop WhatsApp message previews on your home screen. Now, if you get messages on WhatsApp, but then they basically get shown up at your home screen or anything like that, and then you would like to turn off that preview, it's very simple to turn off that preview. First of all, for this, you can simply go to settings, then simply go to notifications. From notifications, go to app notifications, and you want to simply search for WhatsApp. Once you search for WhatsApp, you can see notification type in a badge or pop-up. So if you don't want it to show up in a pop-up whenever you're on the home screen, you can instead just select badge, which will only indicate a small badge next to your WhatsApp icon, but will not show you the content of the messages. You can also turn off notification completely if that's what you want, but just changing the pop-up from this menu to the other one will basically help you solve the problem as well. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically stop WhatsApp messages from being previewed on your home screen. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.